We're making a delicious ham, eggs, asparagus, and cheese dinner. Okay, now we're going to add our asparagus to the pan here. Seasonings together here with our minced garlic and everything. And we're going to put them right in there. And we're going to crack a couple eggs. Now we're going to get our ham, put that back in here. And we're going to spritz some cheese on there. Look at the yolk. Let's see. Is it still runny? Oh, yeah. Alright, let's have a little taste. Let's see if we can get some ham here and everything. See it? Beautiful piece of ham. Oh, and the flavors of the garlic in there and everything. Wow. Boy, is that tasty. You're going to love this one. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious ham, eggs, asparagus, and cheese dinner.